Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how to become a freelancer in 2025. Now, before I continue, I know you're wondering, freelancing? What's that? Okay, who's a freelancer? Well, let me enlighten you on that. A freelancer is an independent contractor who offers their services to clients on a contract basis. This means freelancers are not employed by a single company and are responsible for their own work, managing their own finances, and determining their own working hours. We have advantages to this, the pros, and we have the disadvantages and the cons. So let's look at it. I won't blindside you by not telling you the pros and the cons. I'll tell you both of them, then you decide if you still want to continue. Now, what are the pros of freelancing? 1. Flexibility. Freelancers have the freedom to choose their own projects, set their own hours, and work from anywhere with an internet connection. 2. Autonomy. You are your own boss, which means you have control as a freelancer, control over your work, and can make decisions without having to answer to a manager. 3. You have the potential for higher earnings. Freelancers can potentially earn more than they would in a traditional job, especially if they're able to charge high rates for their services. 4. Variety of work. Freelancing can offer a wide variety of projects and experiences, allowing you to learn new skills and explore different areas of your field. 5. Work-life balance. Freelancers can often achieve a better work and life balance than those who work in traditional jobs. As a freelancer, you can set your own hours and take breaks when you need to. Those are the advantages. Those are the 5 advantages. Now let's look at the cons, the disadvantages. 1. Inconsistent income. Freelancing can be unpredictable, with income fluctuating from month to month. While a traditional job, you can save for certain how much you're coming home with. This is your pay. Number 2, lack of benefits. Freelancers are typically responsible for their own health insurance, retirement savings, and other benefits. If you work in Nigeria, this doesn't actually apply because most traditional jobs don't give you this. But if you work in good companies or you work outside Nigeria, yes, as a traditional job, as a traditional worker, someone who works for it, who does a traditional job, yes, you have health benefits, health insurance benefits, retirement savings benefits, and other benefits. But as a freelancer, you gotta cover it all yourself. There is no health insurance benefits, retirement savings, and others. You have to do everything yourself. But if you work in Nigeria, it's pretty much the same thing. Whether you work a traditional job or you're a freelancer, you still have to cater for these things yourself. Moving on, number 3. Isolation. Working from home as a freelancer can be kind of isolating, especially if you don't have a lot of social interaction. Let's be honest. It's going to be you, yourself, and your laptop for hours and hours and hours. You barely have human interaction. You can substitute it by going on social media and stuff. But if you're an extrovert, it can be a little like a prison cell. But for introverts, it's like heaven. Next, marketing and sales. Freelancers need to spend time marketing their own services and finding new clients by themselves, unlike a traditional job when the clients come to you. Next, self-discipline. It can be difficult to stay motivated and disciplined when you are working for yourself. You'll be tempted to make that break of 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours before you know it, you're binge watching a movie, you've forgotten about your job. Yeah, that's a disadvantage. And next one, I think that should sum it up. Yeah, let's just stop with that. So, is freelancing right for you? Let's find out. Freelancing can be a great option for people who are self-motivated, disciplined, and enjoy working independently. However, please weigh the pros and the cons carefully before making the decision to go freelance. Now, let's say you've weighed the pros and the cons and you decide that yes, this is what I want to do. I want to be a freelancer in the next year, 2025. You can even start now. So what do you? So you are thinking, you try to brainstorm ideas. Well, that's what I'm here to help you with. I'm here to show you 20 ways to become a freelancer in 2025. Now, the first thing you can do is content creation and marketing. Content creation and marketing. Under this, we have freelance writer who writes articles, blog posts, website copy, and the rest of them for business. Then the second one, we have social media managers. They manage social media accounts for businesses, creating, engaging in content, and running ads. That's what I'm doing. Then the third one is SEO specialists. They optimize websites and content for search engines. Then these are all still under content creation and marketing. The next we have is copywriting, or a copywriter actually. Oh, I skipped one. Content strategists. They develop content strategies for businesses to achieve their marketing goals. Then we have copywriter. A copywriter writes compelling ad copy, sales, scripts, and marketing materials. Then we have video editors. I'm also part of this. Video editor / creator. We edit videos for businesses, create short form content like TikTok videos, or produce longer form videos. Next, we have graphics designer. A graphic designer creates logos, branding materials, social media graphics, and other visual content. Then, the last one under this is podcaster / audio editor. They host or edit podcasts, create audio content for businesses. So those are all under content creation and marketing, which is one of the freelance jobs you will like. Next, we have technology and development. Under this, we have web developer. You can build and maintain websites using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other technologies. 2, as in the second one under technology development, the freelance job you can do is mobile app developer. You can develop applications for iOS and Android phones. Devices, actually, not just phones, devices. The third thing you can do is software developer. You can become a software developer, develop and maintain software applications. All this requires a lot of training. Next, UI UX designer. So you design user-friendly interfaces for websites and applications. Then we have data analyst / scientist. I'm thinking of going to this one. You analyze data to identify trends and insights. Then the next one we have is cybersecurity specialist. You provide cybersecurity services such as penetration testing and vulnerability assessments for companies and individuals who are interested in your services. Next, we have cloud engineering. Their job is to manage and maintain cloud computing infrastructure. Then the third freelance job you can do is business and consulting. Under this, we have visual assistant, project manager, business consultant, life coach or career coach, financial advisor, and recruiter. Now, a virtual assistant provides administrative support to businesses and individuals, not in the office, not on site, but remote. Next, we have project manager. The manage projects for clients, ensuring that they are completed on time and within budget. Next, business consultant provides strategic advice and guidance to businesses. Next, we have the life coach or career coach, who helps individuals achieve their personal and professional goals. Financial advisors provide financial planning and investment advice, and recruiters help businesses find and hire qualified candidates. Now, the fourth job you can do is under creativity and design. Here we have photographer / videographer who captures photos and videos for clients. Then we have illustrator / animator. You create illustrations, animation, and other creative content. Then we have musicians and composers. The composer produces music for various purposes. We have interior designer who designs and decorates interior spaces. And then we have the fashion designers who design clothing and accessories. Then we have others like translators and interpreter. Their job is to translate documents and provide interpretation services. We have tutors or teacher. You can provide online tutoring and educational services. You have proofreader and editor. I'm also into that. You edit and proofread written content. Then we have the last one, which is transcriptionist, who transcribes audio and video files. Now, these are 5 major areas, but they are in total. I've given you about 20 freelance jobs you can do as a freelancer in 2025. Now, let me give you a bonus tips for success. Now, if you know you want to succeed as a freelancer, the first thing you must do, you must develop in-demand skills. So do your research and focus on skills that are highly sought after in the freelance market. 2, you must build a strong online presence. Create a professional website or online portfolio to showcase your work. 3, you must network with other freelancers. Connect with them to learn from their experience and build your network. Next, you must provide excellent customer service. You must build strong relationships with clients by delivering high quality work and meeting deadlines. Very important. Next, you must continuously learn and grow. Don't stay at a particular level. Always update, upgrade yourself on industry trends and continue to develop your skills. Remember that the key to becoming a successful freelancer is to identify your skills and passion, find your niche, and build a strong professional brand. I'm going to add this. This information is for general guidance only. Should not be considered financial or professional advice. I am not a financial or professional guidance counselor or whatever. I am helping you out by doing this research and giving you ways to become a freelancer in 2025. Please still seek professional advice and financial one too. Yes. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope I've been able to open your eyes to 20 ways to become a freelancer in 2025. You can start right now. Hope you found this video helpful. It doesn't only have to be in 2025, it can be in any year. So don't just restrict yourself. Don't say because I said how to become freelancer in 2025 it's restricted. No. It can be for us for any year, for any time. You can start right this moment. So after watching this video, do your research, gather the information you need, and you do it. Don't delay. I hope you found this video helpful one more time, because if you did, I expect you to click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you can give us comments in the comment section. Let us know how it's going with you. I'd love to hear from you. So once again, thanks for watching. Bye bye.